What is up, YouTube? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. The reason why I'm filming this really quick on my phone is because I ran out of space on my iPad where I edit videos to bring more videos. So without thinking, I went ahead and deleted everything that I had on my iPad, thus deleting the video that was supposed to come out today. So the video that is coming out today, I'm telling you guys, as you guys know, what this 1,000 subscriber giveaway is going to entail, what it is, and what the rules are to enter. So just so you guys know, I will be giving away 12 drop front shoe boxes like the ones you see behind me. Not necessarily the black ones. It'll be up to whoever wins if you want the black ones. The clear ones, I think they have a red and blue one now as well. And since I'm doing 12, you have the option of getting 6 black ones and 6 clear ones, or 6 blue ones and 6 black ones, whatever you want. So that'll be what the winner of the 1,000 subscriber giveaway gets. Now, to enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, follow my Instagram, and then DM me a screenshot showing that you have followed the Instagram. Now, I am posting this on January 1st, so Happy New Year, everybody. But there are going to be options as the week goes on for you to get multiple entries. You know what I'm saying? So this is the way to get your first entry, and then I'll be posting on my Instagram options to get more entries for the giveaway. But that is what is being given away. 12 of the drop front shoe cases. I think every single sneakerhead needs them. I talked to a bunch of other people, and I was going to, not by a bunch of other people, I mean 4, and I was asking them, what do you think I should give away, this or there were 2 other options, and all 4 of them, actually 3 of them, the 4th one was kind of on the fence with something else, but 3 of them said that the best idea was to give away the sneaker shoe boxes. The drop fronts, not everyone has them, and I think they look really good, especially for people trying to start up their sneaker room. So that's what we are doing, man. Once again, sorry for the quality of this video. I just wanted to film it really quick because, like I said, I deleted the original video that I had filmed for this giveaway, man. But that's it right there. Subscribe to the channel, follow the Instagram, DM me a screenshot of you being subscribed to the channel, and that's it, man. That's all you got to do. And then, like I said, there'll be opportunities. I'm not going to pull a winner until a week from today. I won't pull a winner. But that's it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.